Hey everyone, Maxime here from MaximeW.com, and on today's video I want to have some fun and show you how to build this matrix effect inside of DropFunnels. So let's get started. So what I've done is that I've created a just one-page website that I can share with you at the end of this video. And so what I've done is that I've just created a simple page, and on this page I have these two things. Alright, so what I'm gonna do is that I'm going to create a new page, and I'm gonna show you exactly how to go ahead and do this for you. So matrix 2, submit, and we want to edit to get into the DropFunnel editor, and then we want to add a row. Okay, and this row, we want to put this row in full width, and full height, so it takes the entire width and the entire height of the screen. Okay, the second thing that we want to do is to add an HTML module in there. Okay, so let's go ahead and do that. Well, remove this. And what we want to do is to just copy this code and paste this code in there. So I didn't invented this thing, I just got it from a website. Next, we want to copy the CSS that's in there, and we want to paste the CSS inside of DropFunnels. This is just to show you guys how powerful DropFunnels is. Alright, and the third thing that we want to do is to come here and to copy this. Alright, and we want to select JavaScript and paste this right there. Okay, so let's save and publish, and as you can see, boom, we have this thing. Now if you want to add like text at the top and everything, all you have to do is to add a new row and put this row below this one, column. Alright, yeah, maybe it's column. Yeah, so let's add one column, and it's because of the JavaScript that there is like so many things like this. And we want as well to go to the row settings and put everything in full width, full height. So you won't have to do all of this, I can share with you this funnel, guys. And what we want to do is to actually go ahead and create a headline and say join the matrix. Join the matrix. I'm gonna put this in green. Up. And I use the 𝐂𝐒, and boom, boom. Let's say 70. Boom. Alright, and we will have to add like a simple opt-in, just like this. Say active campaign, list, matrix. Okay, and so I don't want to show the font, and now what I want to do is to put this button in green as well. And we want the text to be black, maybe. Oh, input, okay, button text, black, and button text we want to use 𝐂𝐒, and boom, and say join the matrix now. And typography of this, we want to put this in normal. �KEVE and maybe a little bit bigger, just like this. Alright, let's see. Yeah, and the button, I want the font to be higher, like larger. So let's use 60, and so we'll add some, yeah, just like this. Let's take normal. Yep, alright, sounds good. Now what we have to do is to, because when we are gonna save, it's gonna be like the first thing that we've created here and the second row right here. So we want to display this row at the top right here. So what we have to do is go to this, no, not the CSS yet. What we want to do is to come here on the row settings and go to advanced and add an ID right there, okay? And we will add matrix or whatever you want. Matrix is great. And then we want to go to the CSS and ID matrix and open the brackets and position absolute top 0 and margin auto and with 100%. Okay, and right here we save and boom, magic, here's what we get. Alright, and let's reuse this thing because it's way too large. So here I believe it's the column settings. Yep. No, maybe it's the alright. Fixed. Yep. And we want this to be, let's say, 800. Alright, and there we go. We have our matrix funnel. So guys, if you want this funnel, then go ahead and go to maximw.com/matrix, sign up, and I'm gonna give you the link on the next page of this funnel. I hope you enjoyed this video. If so, let me know in the comment what you like, what you want me to make a video about on the next one, and please subscribe to the channel and turn the notification button. It helps me grow this channel and put this video out there to as many people as possible. And that's it for today. I wish you an amazing day and I will talk to you soon. Peace!